Umasipala wedorobha le-Tshwane akasafani naphambilini. Zonke indawo zakhona sibale emalokishini nemadrobheni, indlela zakhona zigcwele imigodigodi, amaphaka akasahlogonyelwa, amathuba emisebenzi akekho nobulelesi buhagele. Izakhamuzi kamasipala dalo zizwakalisa amazi ezahlukileko ukukhethwa kwekhansela leCope uMurunwa Makwarela njengemeyara.
DA for the past 7 years, no difference. Next.
Hopefully, with the new mayor coming in, there will be changes.
Ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu uDorh omusha engenile la isikhundleni after DA for 7 years iphethe. Kungenanto abayibhekisa ukuthi bayenzile.
Ihlangano ye-DA yathoma ukuphatha umasipala ohlokodorobha enarha le ngemva kwamakhetho endawo zemakhaya ngo-2016. UMeyara uRandall Williams uthokoza isikhundla inyanga epheleleko ngaphambi kokuthi abanjwe isichukumiso sokungasathenjwa. Inhlangano ezibusa ngokuhlanganyela zidondile ngokuloba ikhetho izolo entambama. Abacozulul bathi uMeyara omutjha lo uyokwenziswa yi-EFF ne-ANC ekungizo ezimvuteleko.
The mayor will be vulnerable because he did not put himself there in power. There are various political structures that put him in power.
Ihlangano ye-DA yokuthathela amalunga yavote ngendlela abangakazwani ngayo amagadango. Nakusenjalo uMakwarela ozele ngethabo uthembisa ukubekela phambili izenzelo zomphakathi.
This is nothing to celebrate about. We are in distress, and most importantly we are concerned that the residents of the city are so much in need of service delivery.
If you look at the numbers, we should have had 108. We had 101, which means there are 7 traitors. Our mission is going to be to identify those traitors, to eliminate them, to come back and to fight.
Ukukhethwa kwakaMakwarela kurariningi njengoba kusazokukhetha ikomiti yemeyara akwaziwe bona bazokulethela abantu izenzelo ngokurhabako namkha kuzokubuyela ekuvotweni godu.